once again, how are you feeling today? I'm here again to encourage myself and to encourage you. And for everybody who's like, what is Rosena doing? I'm just doing. I'm doing the best I can. I'm living life in this new normal and looking for all the things that I have to be grateful for. All the things that I am abundant in. And I have 2 legs and 2 arms and a head. And I woke up in my right mind this morning. Thank you, God. Last night, I was not feeling too well. With the pressures of family and a lot of different personalities, even though we love each other, sometimes we misunderstand each other. So I was just done. But you know what? I'm so happy that this morning I woke up with a renewance of, you know what? I'm not giving up. I can't give up. This is a pandemic where over 160,000 people have lost their life. So I cannot give up just because somebody hurt my feelings or there was a misunderstanding or I didn't get my way. Because there are people who are not waking up this morning. So I woke up this morning and actually when I came outside, I am so blessed. I'm in the trees. I'm seeing the moon. I did see the moon. It's gone now. The sun has risen. My child, I had to stop a little early because my youngest one came in. Yes, baby. But once again, I had some issues this morning with the Wi-Fi Hello, it's day 2. I had a real day yesterday. Had to go get fruit. So I went to Costco. And then, of course, with school starting, even though my child is just going into kindergarten, it's a big deal. It's not a just. So I had to stop by Walmart and by Target to try and get the supplies needed. And this morning, Jason and I, we were looking at desks for the homeschooling. So we got a desk. There was like basically only one in the similar style that we needed available that would even be ready for her school start date. And then got like an organizing little thing that we hope will work. All right, y'all, until the next time. So I said, once again, I was doing this YouTube. I did a different one, but it was still the kukuwa. So I would say, look that up, kukuwa something. They're giving us life, definitely on YouTube, and like Afro dance. And you're not hearing the actual music because they don't have the rights to the music. So Jason made up music to go to this video. And, but I will say I feel good. I feel so good again. Yesterday I didn't work out because I had to go shopping for the family, but I should have stretched. That will be the thing that I do next time because I came home feeling, oh, wow, my body was not having it. So I feel like I'm gonna have a good day today. I'm gonna have a productive day today. And a graceful day. I'm gonna have grace give grace to myself, give grace to other people, and just try and just do what I can. But I gotta go inside now. It's time for breakfast. Peace, love.